Is this the ultimate find of the year? This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific you seriously need see this is proving to be an absolute lifesaver. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: the build quality is premium. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without a heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it sells out everywhere. Is this the ultimate find of the year? This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason.